Well, hello everybody. Hobo Velcro here. Just doing a little ham radio. I got the day off and it's a nice rainy day. The electrical noise is low. The wife's at work and the kids at school and I'm on vacation. So it's my ham radio station. This is my HF through 6 meters. This is a Yaesu FTDX 1200. It's got an auto tuner in it, some test equipment, an old manual tuner, my scanner, other radios. This is a fun little radio. This is a 6 meter single sideband QRP rig. A lot of fun. Some other stuff going on here. I don't think I've ever made a video about the ham radio station, so this is it. And then, my feed line goes under the house and out to the antennas. My power supply is over here. Power supply going on. This is Alex, my alien. He's their mascot. He's hand carved via chainsaw out of a piece of wood from Heber, Arizona. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I got my old ham radio world map. It's got all the prefixes. Well, these aren't so true anymore because years ago they invented what's called vanity calls, but 3 calls and 4 calls, and then, well, that's not so accurate anymore. But, yeah, that's it. That is the radio station. This guy I just finished talking to a while ago parks on the Aries in Las Vegas, Nevada, just outside of Las Vegas. Not the other guy, not this guy, the other guy. That guy, he's in Las Vegas. So this is, of course, 20 meters. I'm using the tuner feature because my antenna is a 40 meter inverted V. Tunes up pretty well on 20 though. 100 watts, no amplifiers. This is my old rig. Kind of my backup plan there. So that's it.